KTN News, Nairobi.
Now, even as parents and learners engaged in last-minute preparations before the schools reopen, in some households, this hustle and bustle was conspicuously missing. Many Kenyans continue to buckle under the pressure of harsh economic conditions occasioned by the COVID-19 global pandemic. Our Brenda Kerubo paints this sad but all too real picture for us.
Esther Muzanzi pens down her daughter's school requirements. The list endless. She has 4 children and volunteers at a children's home.
Na casual tunalipo 500 per day. So unaenda, kuna time unapewa hiyo 500 unakuja nayo kwa nyumba. Ni hivyo mmemalizana. Kuna time unaambiwa hakuna pesa kwa sasa until end month. So like end month, the highest, hiyo miezi mbili nimefanya huko, the highest money nimepata, it's 10,000. Na kwa hiyo 10,000 I have to pay rent. Watoto wanapaswa kukula. Na ndio hiyo mambo na shule imeingia, ninapaswa kuwalipia school fees.
Schools open Monday, and just like other parents, Muzanzi wants her children back in school, but can she afford it?
Niko supposed kununua uniform zingine kwa kila mtoto. Niko supposed kununua bag zingine kwa mtoto, viatu, kila kitu. Ni kama ninaanza kuadmit shuleni pia.
Pre-COVID, John Muzanzi was the breadwinner of the family. He was a taxi driver. However, restrictions introduced to curb the spread of the disease led to reduced business activities, and the car owner repossessed the vehicle. The idea that he could no longer provide for his family pushed him to develop health complications, and early July, he suffered a stroke.
Kitu ya kwanza nikifikiria mambo ya watoto, nikifikiria huku Nairobi kila kitu kinahitaji pesa, and I'm the breadwinner. Mama yuko kwa nyumba atoke, yuko na hana mahali anaenda, ni mimi tu ametegemea. Ilikuwa ni uchungu.
He also has to put money aside for his hospital expenses.
Na niliporudi kwa nyumba niliandikiwa list ya madawa zile nahitaji kutumia. Na hizo madawa kwa wiki moja zinagharimu around 14,000.
With COVID-19 disrupting livelihoods, back-to-school expenses remain a key concern shared by most families.
Shule naye mnatusukuma kama sisi wazazi. COVID-19 iliingililia, hakuna do vile tungeweza kusave.
We are being told first term's school fees we need to clear, plus this term's, the second term that now we are starting, we need to clear. Remember, it's like a whole year we've not even worked. We lost our jobs.
But in what could be music to the ears of many, Education Cabinet Secretary George Magoha has reiterated that no child will be sent back home.
I want to urge the teachers to be vigilant so that they also are able to identify the children who are thoroughly indigent and are poor and cannot afford school fees, and they must be allowed.
COVID-19 has changed the way we do things in almost every sector of the economy. In education, it has meant introducing unpopular policies such as the mandatory use of face masks in schools. For parents, this has meant digging much deeper into their pockets to ensure that learners are safe in schools. Brenda Kerubo, KTN News in Nairobi.
Tonight, police are investigating a concurrent